Global health alert: 1.44 million Indian kids unvaccinated. India has made significant progress in healthcare over the past few decades. But a new global study published in the Lancet revealed a startling reality. Millions of children are still being left behind when it comes to life-saving vaccinations. Yes, you have heard that right. According to the study, in 2023 alone, 15.7 million children across the world didn't receive even the first dose of DTP vaccine. That's diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis. This basic vaccine is usually administered in the very first year of life. Of those 15.7 million children, a shocking 1.44 million were in India, the second highest globally. India, Nigeria, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, Somalia, Sudan, Indonesia and Brazil. These 8 nations together account for over 50% of the world's zero-dose children, kids who haven't received any routine vaccines at all. The data was compiled by the Global Burden of Disease 2023 Vaccine Coverage Collaborators, a global team of researchers tracking vaccination trends from 1980 to 2023 across 204 countries and territories. In 1980, over 58 million children worldwide hadn't received even one vaccine. Thanks to decades of global health efforts, that number tells dramatically to around 14.7 million by 2019. Here's the problem. Since 2010, that progress has either slowed down or reversed in many countries. Between 2010 and 2019, measles vaccination rates fell in 100 countries. Even wealthy nations weren't immune. 21 out of 36 high-income countries saw declining coverage for one or more essential vaccines like measles, polio, or tuberculosis. Despite decades of efforts, millions of children remain under or unvaccinated. Dr. Jonathan Moser, Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation. What causes this backslide? Experts point to a mix of factors: inequality, misinformation, vaccine hesitancy, and the massive disruption caused by COVID-19 pandemic. Vaccines are one of the most powerful and cost-effective tools in public health, and yet they are still not reaching the most vulnerable. Looking ahead, the global target is to halve the number of zero-dose children by 2030 using 2019 levels as the benchmark. But here's the tough truth: only 18 countries are currently on track to meet that goal. As of now, 2/3 of the world's zero-dose children live in just 2 regions: Sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. In South Asia alone, 1.33 million children still haven't received a single vaccine dose. In India, the 1.44 million children who missed routine immunization in 2023 represent more than just a number. Each child is a life at risk of disease we already know how to prevent. This report isn't just data, it's a wake-up call, a reminder that global health progress is not truly progress if it leaves millions of children behind. To protect future generations, we must act now. Fight misinformation, strengthen rural healthcare system, and ensure that every child, no matter where they are born, get a fair shot at life. This is all for now. If this information was helpful for you, please share it to all your friends and family and let them know what they are missing out.